How to export your footer as PNG. What do I mean by footer? All the email, Instagram handle, call number and everything. How to export them as PNG so that you can easily use it on any other design you are designing for your brand or your clients. Here are the handles. Just open your project and go to where you manage your layers. This is where you manage your layers. You will see other elements and you will see the layers for the handle. So you hide other elements that you know you are not exporting. I'm not exporting this, I'm not exporting this. This one is the line below the number and the handles. So I'm going to leave them. So go to the other ones that you know you are not exporting, hide them like this, hide them. Once you are done, you have this. Head to this fourth guy here, click on it, then go to transparent, then you go to save as image. Choose PNG, make sure you are on PNG, then you can save to gallery. Anytime you are designing, head to where you import your image, this third guy here, then go to import. You import it like this. You can now crop it, then you click OK. You have something like this.